Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your Tesla Model 3 window. This process helps ensure your windows operate smoothly and seal correctly, preventing issues like wind noise or water leaks. Before we begin, make sure your Model 3 is in park and all doors are fully closed. You'll primarily use the window control switch on the driver's door for this procedure. It's a simple fix that can improve your driving experience. Now, let's perform the calibration. First, fully lower the window by pressing and holding the window switch down. Once the window is completely open, continue holding the switch down for about 3 more seconds. Next, fully raise the window by pulling and holding the switch up. After the window is completely closed, keep holding the switch up for another 3 seconds. This sequence helps the car learn the window's full travel range. After completing the calibration, it's important to test the window's operation. Try using the auto up and auto down features to ensure they work correctly. Listen for any unusual noises and check that the window seals tightly against the frame when closed. If the window still isn't behaving as expected, simply repeat the calibration steps from the beginning. Sometimes, a second attempt can resolve minor glitches. You might wonder when to recalibrate your windows. It's a good idea to do so after a battery disconnect or a major software update, as these can sometimes reset the window's memory. Also, if you notice your window not closing fully, exhibiting jerky movements, or if you start hearing more wind noise than usual, a quick recalibration can often solve these problems. It's a simple maintenance step for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.